This is a very short video clip to just remind you of how to work out the area of a rectangle and a triangle. So if we have a rectangle here, when we're working out the area of it, really we're working out the number of centimetre squares that fit into the rectangle. So you can see here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this has an area of 6 centimetres squared. Each one of these is 1 centimetre squared, and you can see that there are 6 of them. So we can then take that a little bit further and we can draw a slightly bigger rectangle. Now I don't want this time draw all the squares in, I just want to work out how many there would be. So I can see this is 3 centimetres and that this is 5 centimetres. So I know that I've got 5, 5, 5. So what I've actually got is 3 lots of 5. So 3 times 5 is 15, and then the units are centimetres squared. The units aren't always centimetres squared, but for this little demonstration they will be. So now I can draw a diagram that isn't exact size. So I could say that this was 6 centimetres and this was 10 centimetres. So if this was 10 centimetres, there would be 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 6 lots of 10. So the sum we do is 6 lots of 10, and we get 60 centimetres squared. And we could do the same, but with a decimal number. I'll just try and squeeze that one here. So if we had something like 2.8 times by 5.6, we would follow the same rule. So here we do 6 times 10, here we do 3 times 5, so here we do 2.8 times 5.6. And in this question I'm going to use a calculator, so I'm just going to turn it on. 2.8 times 5.6, and the answer is 15.68, so I write that down, 15.68 centimetres squared. So that's how to find the area of a rectangle. Now a square is just a special rectangle, so if we did have a square, for example here, if this was 10 centimetres and this was 10 centimetres, again thinking of the idea if there were 10 centimetres along there and 10 rows down, we would have 10 lots of 10. 10 lots of 10 is 100 centimetres squared. Now if I just wanted to know what the area of a triangle that looked like this was, let's just draw the triangle again. Now you can see, hopefully, there's a similarity. This, because this was a square, 10 by 10, this is half of the square that's 10 by 10. So this bit and this bit, if I had drawn them with a ruler, would be exactly the same. So the way to find the area of a triangle is to work out the area of the square or the rectangle, so 10 times 10 is 100, and then say, but I only need half of it, and a half of 100 divided by 2 is 50 centimetres squared. So last example. Here's a triangle, 4 centimetres on the base, 3 centimetres on the height. I'm going to dot it in and work out the area of the rectangle. So I'll write that down, area of rectangle, so just draw a picture of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is 3 times 4 is 12, and so the triangle is half of 12, which is 6 centimetres squared. Thank you.